Hello everyone and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs. Today we have another unboxing and it's a solar motion sensor light. It cost me $29.99 from Amazon, and the idea behind this is I want to put it outside in the garden, probably on the fence. So it'll be outside on the fence. I'll just read what it says. It says high brightness, 3-side cast light. So what that means is you've got the main lights in the middle and then some lights on the side like that. So hopefully it'll give you a good pan of lighting. Working mode is displayed via luminous icons. I'm not sure what that is, but we'll find out, won't we? Super power solar panels can be charged via USB. So obviously it can be charged by a solar panel, but also you can plug it into your USB and charge it like that, which is what I'll probably do to start with. Can switch to continuous light mode. So I'm assuming that means it can stay on permanently all the time. Although I can't imagine it staying like that outside permanently. You know, depending on how long the lights last at night, I suppose. Right, what else? Easy to install, 3 installation options. And I believe it has hooks, raw plugs. I'm not sure what the other one is, but I'll find out. No wiring required, obviously, it's solar powered, and long life durability, or durable, it actually says. So I'll quickly show you around the box. Nothing much to see, nothing on the sides. What's this say on the back? Solar security, yeah, just a brief description. So with that, shall we do the unboxing? It's not sealed in any way, so it makes it easy to undo. Right, it looks like another welcome card. What's it say? If you have any problems during usage, please do not hesitate to contact the official email address, which is on now. We offer a thorough after-sales service such as technical support, new exchange and refunds. Oh, get a night light or other gifts for free. Oh, and a big thank you. We love to hear from you. There you go, see that? Bit of information on the back. Looks pretty good. Right, let's have a look at the lighting. So what you got? Oh right, so you got USB and some other bits by the looks of it. So we'll get this out first. So here's your hooks. Get out. Alright, so they're adjustable. So hopefully that'll go over my fence. Yeah, it should do. Well, so you've got some bolts, nuts and bolts in there. And some more plugs. Like so. So there's your 3 different options. Not sure how you're going to do it with the bolts, but I'm sure we'll find out. And a little USB charger. So it's got mini USB on one end and the USB 2 on the other, or 1 actually, I'm not sure, doesn't really matter. It's definitely not 3, that's for sure. And just have a look at the product. So first impressions, yeah, it feels alright. You know, it's plastic, what you really expected anyway. I'll quickly just show you around that. So like I said, you've got lighting on the side. So there's your 3 lighting positions, 1, 2, 3. Obviously that's your sensor. And then you've got your solar panels on top. Oh, and it's got these are your indicators. Oh, I see. Okay, so they're your indicators on the side. Oh, it's got an on-off, but oh, it's come on already. So I've got off, light, half light or something, or dusk perhaps, and then night time, and then battery, or shows you the battery. So it's on off at the moment. So okay, so that looks quite easy. Obviously that will go like that. Let me just show you. So that'll fit in there somehow. Or would it go in there? That should go in there, I would have thought. There you go. So it goes in there. And then that hook over your fence, like so. That's quite easy. Yeah. Ah, right. So on the back, your bolts will go in there. So if you're fixing it to something where you need to use a nut and bolt, what that's for. And obviously your raw plugs will go in the same slots here. So yeah, it's quite easy. So what we do now, because I think the battery's probably low. Oh, actually, before we do that, what we do now, we'll have a quick look at the instructions. I wouldn't have thought there'd be a lot to read. I'll quickly show you. See that? It says, please put the lamp under the sun for several hours or use USB charging for more than 2 hours before the first time you use it. So we're going to do that right now. Right, so I gave it a charge up and as a USB connection in there, so it's just got a little rubber cover, obviously to keep the water out, so that goes in there. It has 4 modes, which are these up here. The first one is the off mode. Second one is full brightness. The middle one is a semi brightness, it's quite bright, and obviously the last one is just a very dim light, and they work slightly different. The first two, the brightness and the semi brightness one, they work by human interaction. So if something or you know, something going past them, normally a human, so if a human going past, it will come on. And that would be on the first two, the full brightness and the half brightness. The moon one works differently because it just stays on permanently. So I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to do it with the light on first. So this is full brightness. And I've got to cover the sensor up. So that's full brightness. And when I look at it, it does blind me, by the way. And then you have the next one, which is not so bright, which is that one. See that? I'll do it again in a second with the light off. And then we add this, which is just a little glow. So I'm going to turn the light off now. So on this mode, it doesn't need no interaction. Once it's switched over, the light will just stay on permanently. So you can see that. So yeah, it's not going to blind you. It's just a little light for if you need to see where you're going. So it looks quite nice actually. So I'll turn it off. So that's off. And then we put it on full brightness, which is that. Obviously it's dark. So that's full brightness. Then you've got the half moon one. So I'm going to come out of there. If I can. And that's the half mode one. Looks very similar. It's slightly dimmer, apparently. Although it still blinds me. And then you've got the moon one. I quite like the moon one. It's quite cool actually. Back to off and back to on again. There you go. So like I say, I gave it a quick charge up, so it probably wants more charging. I'll turn the light back on. So yeah, I think it's quite nice. I will be testing it out on my decking or even on my shed. I'm not sure yet, one or the other. So do I think it's worth the money? Yeah, I think it's worth the money. Like I say, it's plastic, but then you would expect that, wouldn't you? Wouldn't expect it to be metal really. It's supposed to be watertight, so, and that's why you've got the rubber seal for the USB, so that's really good and helpful. I like all the different modes on it. I like the 3 different options for hanging it up, like a hook, raw plugs or bolts, which I thought was very good. In the back is a battery pack, so you can change the battery at some stage if the batteries pack up eventually. So that's quite handy to know. So yeah, I'll give it a thumbs up. So if you have any comments, please post them below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down. And please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.